Children, this is a passing package for a 10th standard. अभी आप 10th standard में new student रहे तो so you just check, or if you're going to write exam also, just go through check this passing package of 10th standard में first one all theorems textbook 10th standard maths में कितने theorem है वो पूरा up to date. So you can refer the YouTube also for explanation. Up to date for perfect and it is compulsory come to 3 marks or 4 marks questions. Okay. So learn all theorems, especially circle chapter 2 theorem for present and BPT Thiele's theorems and Pythagoras theorem, similar triangle related, ratio related theorems. Theorems compulsorily आता है. So first of all you have to learn theorem neatly and you have to write neatly. theorem को ज़्यादा बड़ा करके लिखना चाहिए. Should 4 marks question means it would like 4 marks, not in a short form. And diagram is very important. Boys क्या करते हैं diagram नहीं लिखते हैं. So diagram is very important. When you are learning, you have to learn the statement of the theorem means definition जो रहता है ना वो statement पढ़ना चाहिए. उसके बाद theorem is very important. And next scoring chapter is a statistic पे हमको 1 marks questions 4 marks questions related question compulsory come mean median mode related question for a group data and missing frequency related, and for 1 marks questions in statistic formulas related and center tendency and problem related to 3 median equal to mode plus 2 mean related question for a 1 marks and cumulative frequency curves related 1 marks and all formulas. कभी भी क्या है ना एक नोट्स separately रख के you have to write all related formulas in that especially mathematics. Okay, all chapter wise related formulas and thorough with the formulas. If you are new to 10th standard अभी 10th standard start कर रहे हो so better theorems formulas keep one separate notes and up to date and examples हमको नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए. क्लास मार्क्स अपर लिमिट लोअर लिमिट डिवाइडेड बाई 2 1 मार्क्स पे पूछ सकते हैं, लेकिन मीन मीडियन मोड इन बोथ द फॉर्मूला यू शुड लर्न प्रॉपरली. 4 मार्क्स स्कोर सकते हैं. सो मीन्स दिस इज अ मिनिमम पैकेज और अ पासिंग पैकेज. अभी डल स्टूडेंट हो सो दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. थियरम कंपल्सरीली आता है और स्टैटिस्टिक रिलेटेड आता है. सो नाउ यू आर वीक और लिटिल बिट अफ्रेड इन एग्जाम. बेसिक्स नॉलेज रहे स्टार्टिंग से अब ट्यूशन लेना चाहिए और ट्यूशन भी लेना चाहिए, यूट्यूब वीडियो भी रेफर करना चाहिए. Next is prove that square root 2 is an irrational number. Prove that 3 plus square root 2 is an irrational number. This is the example question. Proving irrational number. Compulsorily 3 marks 2 marks पे पूछते हैं. So this type of related question thorough with that. आपको स्कोर कर कंपल्सरी repeating question. This is called the passing package. Okay, square root 2 or square root 5 irrational prove करो or any other this type of any other number. This is the example number. Okay, and graph also compulsory. They ask finding intersecting points, calculating triangle area, form lines. Graph जो भी है वो भी अच्छे से पढ़ना चाहिए. If you have difficulties, watch introduction video of a graph. Any chapter difficulties, first watch introduction video and short videos, then go through this. Okay, draw a graph. Compulsory mean median mode theorems compulsory should know, and there are irrational proving irrational number graph 4 marks. Okay, नेक्स्ट इज पेयर ऑफ लिनियर इक्वेशन टू वेरिएबल. एलिमिनेशन मेथड कंपल्सरी आता है. एलिमिनेशन मेथड सॉल्विंग वर्ड प्रॉब्लम और एलिमिनेशन मेथड. आपको वर्ड प्रॉब्लम एग्जाम्पल सम्स रेफर करो एंड ओल्ड क्वेश्चन पेपर. सब्स्टिट्यूट मेथड भी आता है. सो कंपल्सरी आने का चांसेस है एलिमिनेशन मेथड. एंड अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन टी एन ई एन रिलेटेड एस एन रिलेटेड फार्मूलाज. देन रेफर बेटर ओल्ड क्वेश्चन पेपर. फर्स्ट इंट्रोडक्शन वीडियो यूट्यूब, शॉर्ट वीडियोस एंड रेफर्ड गोल्ड क्वेश्चन पेपर. आपको 60 to 75 मार्क्स आपके पॉकेट में रहता है. देन क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. फोकस ऑन द डिस्क्रिमिनेंट फार्मूला, स्प्लिटिंग मेथड रिलेटेड, क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन फार्मूला related, then sum and the roots and product of quadratic equation, solving k value while using substitute x value with the help of substituting x value, finding the value of k. So here quadratic equation and polynomial chapter, linear equation chapter, refer old question paper. Many questions will come. In question sum and the roots are given means you have to use sum and the product is given means you have to use sum and the product formula, and the discriminant is given in a question means you have question पे discriminant है, then you have to use discriminant formula, and question पे find the value of k or p, and x value is separately given any number, then you have to substitute the value. Then we have to find the quadratic equation. Sum and the roots are given. We have to find the quadratic equation. For example, 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta related questions. Better refer whole question papers related to this chapter. Okay, chapter wise related question paper. You get आंसर ऑफ सॉल्यूशन एंड यूट्यूब चैनल गूगल पे भी हम आपको मिल सकते हैं क्वेश्चन रिलेटेड टू चैप्टर वाइज विथ सॉल्यूशन. देन एनी डाउट immediately watch YouTube video related to that. Polynomial linear equations, refer old question papers and textbook sum. Textbook sums are very very important because हमको क्वेश्चन पेपर करने में answer sheet also we have to prepare. To prepare answer sheet, we always refer old question paper or textbook sums. Okay, example sums, textbook example sums. Textbook sums means it is example sums also. Okay, what I written here textbook sums means examples of textbook. Relation between zeros, coefficients, substitute elimination method also important. So here very important is theorem, statistic mean median mode, graph, proving irrational numbers, then arithmetic progression old question paper related, quadratic equation old question paper related. These are very important, and if these are 2 marks, 3 marks, 4 marks package, then old question paper or model question paper pe 1 marks question you can thorough that 1 marks question. Geometry 50 marks question from triangle, circle chapter. So BPT theorem, basic proportion theorem. First of all, first I said no theorems. कितने भी theorems है पढ़ लो. More I think 3 or 4 or 5 theorems will be there. And ratio related questions, 2 theorems, tangent related questions. Circle chapter का 2 theorems are very important. Tangent related questions and trigonometry ratio. कभी कुछ बच्चों के लिए ट्रिग्नोमेट्री टफ रहता है, so just learn the formulas and old question paper. If any one chapter is tough, don't worry about that. Thorough with the other chapter. If anybody have a tough in this chapter, thorough with the other chapter. If you can refer old question paper, example sums. उतना ही बस है. Introduction trigonometry tough रहे तो you watch introduction video of trigonometry, then short video of short note of this chapter. That's enough. उतनी ही लिखो जब ये tough रहे तो. Okay, you can skip if anybody has some introduction of trigonometry, some application of trigonometry means learn the formulas and the example sums of textbook question, example sums and old question paper. इतना ही भी देखो. Introduction of trigonometry, formula related, identity related, trigonometry ratio, refer old question paper 5 to 6 years and all example sums, model paper. Okay, some application of trigonometry भी same है. Refer old question paper, example sums. Mensuration 10 marks, surface area and volume. First of all, you have to study all formula related this chapter and example sums, old question papers. Okay, and model question paper. Probability, refer old question paper, 1 marks question पे ज़्यादा रहता है. And textbook sums, sample, simple and straightforward application of basic probability formula will come. A very easy chapter. Okay. So then what is how to prepare? So we make a separate sheet for all formulas related to chapter wise and properties related. Property related geometry or other concept or basic means to assertion and reason related question के लिए. After that, after completing all chapter, once you have to do separate test example question पे revision. Only the textbook example sums questions. Then next thing, only old question paper related chapter wise. For take 2 or 3 chapter Once only example questions from the textbook. Once only old question paper 5 to 6. Then if any doubt, immediately watch YouTube channel if you have any doubt and clarify the doubt. या पहले इंट्रोडक्शन वीडियो और वन शॉट देखना चाहिए, उसी पे आपको पूरा डाउट क्लियर हो जाए. देन पर्टिकुलरली वन क्वेश्चन डाउट है, you can search in Google or YouTube. Many explanation of videos will come. When you are writing exam, try to attend all questions. Concept wise लिखना चाहिए. If you don't know that question, try to attend related to that question and formulas. Step. कुछ भी नहीं आता है, case based questions or anything. Understand, then write word problem also. Understand, try to attend it. Okay. If all options related questions are two options are given, means best which option you know properly attend that. If you don't know two options also, which you can try related to that and or formula you write, स्टेप के लिए भी मार्क्स रहता है. वेरी कॉन्शियस रहना चाहिए मैथ्स पे. वन मिस्टेक रहे तो द सम इट अफेक्ट द सम. यू नो द मेथड, इफ एनी वन मिस्टेक सम के लिए इफेक्ट होता है, लेकिन यू गेट द मार्क्स फॉर द स्टेप्स. सो ऑलवेज रीचेक द वैल्यू. मिड पॉइंट थियरम आता है, coordinate geometry in midpoint related questions, midpoint theorem, refer that old question paper and example sums. Okay, better refer old question paper 5 to 6 years midpoint theorem के लिए. Midpoint or x value, y value, x1 y value, x2 y2. First write the values in immediately. Then when you're writing the value, after writing the values of anything, any formula, recheck whether what you written is correct. Symbols, okay, recheck the value. First concentrate on study compulsory. Concentrate on studies, okay, and no worry, don't worry, okay. Compulsorily repeating questions are means 2 marks, 3 marks question, 4 marks questions. Concentrate on studies, learn with full interest. Very easy if you learn with full interest. जब हमारे टाइम पर तो यूट्यूब चैनल ही नहीं रहता है. वी हैव टू रेफर ओनली टेक्स्ट बुक एंड डिपेंड अपॉन द टीचर्स. बट नाउअडेज we have other options, no, net and YouTube channels, many explanations, many teachers explain very well. Okay, and revise 1 mark related. One day only example related questions का टेस्ट करना चाहिए. One day all whole question paper related test. One day only concentrate on 1 marks. So you can score 80 out of 80, or you can score, okay, one day old question paper, 1 or 2 days all old question paper. One times all the main important compulsory come. These are passing package. जब हम स्कूल पे टीचिंग करते थे, so we make a 2 3 groups: fast learner, average learner, slow learner. So fast learner के लिए everything will give. Slow learner, average learners mix up, and slow learner के लिए we make him study only this thing. So अभी passing package पे 80 out of 80 score करने का भी है. So what I explained is 80 out of 80 also you can score. And 10th पास होने का डर रहे तो थियरम्स, दीज आर कंपलसरी. सो स्लो लर्नर के कंपलसरी क्वेश्चंस भी मैं वही थियरम्स एक्सप्लेन करके थियरम अप टू डेट करते हैं. स्टैटिस्टिक मीन मीडियन अप टू डेट, proving this problem up to date, graph is up to date. So 20 to 30 marks we can score from there. Okay, then 1 marks questions here and there, 1 marks, and whole question paper revision करने पे पासिंग पैकेज भी बन सकता है. ऑल द बेस्ट.